Okay, question number 25. Okay. The equation P equal to rho of 1 by 2 into A rho V cube gives the maximum power output P of a wind turbine when the wind speed is V. This is the maximum power output because the wind leaves the wind turbine with zero wind speed, non-zero wind speed. Okay. So definitely, so what happens is when there is a wind turbine like this and as it starts rotating, so this wind gushes through the wind turbine and then part of it will leave it. That means some amount of, see, not all the wind is being utilized by it. So all the wind, some part of the wind is being utilized, some part of it goes away over here. So therefore, the wind leaves the wind turbine with non-zero speed. Okay, you cannot stop the wind over here. Okay, some part of the wind will be utilized and part of it will be going. And it is observed that there is a rule by name Betz law, which says that somewhere like the efficiency of the wind turbine is seen to be around 60%. Precisely speaking, it is 59.3%, which means only a part of the wind has been occupied or used. The rest of them is not used, which is made to move out from the wind turbine. Okay, so thus the answer is A over here.